Hello and welcome to day 8. 8 has always been a lucky number for me, so I'm going to roll with it and hope that today is going to be the first day I get actual words on the page for A Mirror of Shadows. So I spent most of the morning working on today's video edits. It was a longer video, the one you saw yesterday, and sending out a newsletter, getting everything ready for my live stream this afternoon, posting in my groups, just a lot of admin stuff for several hours. So George and I are now going to go to lunch, and I'm going to take my notebook and we're going to talk through some story stuff, some Broken Chapter Society membership stuff, and just kind of have a family meeting. We're going to order groceries so that he doesn't have to do that when I'm gone and just kind of take care of that. I have a live stream today at 3 my time, so we'll see if I get home in time to actually start writing. But if not, after the live stream, while the kids are home, I'm probably going to set Evie up with a sensory box. We love these ones from Young, Wild, and Freeman that have some all-natural kind of Play-Doh type stuff and slime and lots of little extra sensory items. She loves those. So I can set her up with that while I'm kind of still spending time with her, but writing at the same time. So that's my goal for today. I hope to get at least one good start at that first note card. I don't know if I'll be able to finish it today. I'm assuming each note card is going to be between 2,000 and 3,000 words. So let's see how the day goes. But first, lunch. So I have lots of backpacks that I love, but lately when I've been going out, I've just been taking this little canvas bag, and it is really cute. I got it from Amazon, so I will link it down below. I know that Procrastiplanner has a bag like this too, but it's not as tall. I think it's like more wide. That's really nice. So I can fit my planner. There's several pockets in here. So I've got some stickers and my wallet, and I have my main sort of brainstorming promo planner in here, but I could throw my keys and, my phone and everything. And it's got a nice sturdy handle to it, and it's kind of cute. So I've been using this quite a bit. But it's time to go enjoy some lunchtime and some time with my hubby. And I always look forward to hanging out with him. So let's go. Lunch was great. We had so much fun. Picked up some stuff that I wanted to take with me to Vegas, like some pantyhose and toiletries and stuff from Walmart pickup, ordered groceries, and now I've been working on ordering the books for spectacular paperback book orders, and just seeing the number is a bit for almost $4,000 worth of books getting ordered, and it's super fun. So I'm very grateful for everybody ordering these. So just as a final order, it's $42.03.82. So 671 books is costing me $3,600. I would say on average, the books are anywhere from about $3.50 up to $6.80, depending on how long the book is, how big it is. And then shipping and handling is going to be $271, and tax is $318. And they're guesstimating that these books will be here around November 21st. So hopefully won't be too far after I get back from Vegas. I could pay double the shipping, and it says it'll get here a day earlier. So that's a big nope from me. Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. Like, they're not super soft, but they're not like really hard either. As long as I don't go all in, there's always an excuse of like, well, I didn't give it a real try. But I think too that it is easy for us, whatever level we're on, to look at people who have more or have achieved something like that we've only dreamed of. It is natural for us to look at that person and think, number one, they're perfect. They never have any doubts. They've got it all figured out. You guys, all these cherries, I swear I'm going to get off of this and just feel, I do need a cherry membership emoji. That is true. Actually, we need to do things. All right. Love you guys so much. All right, you guys. Love you. Bye. Coffee chat is over. Friday coffee chat. You know, I started doing this, I think, just before the shutdown in 2020. I can't remember exactly when we started like Friday coffee chat. I'd have to go back and look at my channel, but I know we started reading The Witch's Key and then continued on like meeting with each other. So it's been since like 2020 that we've been doing it. And in the early days, we had like 75 people, 100 people, and it's been really fun to watch it grow. Today we had 350 people. And throughout the week, there's almost 4,000 people that will watch on replay, 3,000 plus. And it just goes to show that showing up consistently with excitement and energy really does pay off. And one of the most fun things for me in the world is to build community and hang out with you guys. So it's fun. I think we might do more live streams here on Heart Breathings as well. And if I decide to do, so I had mentioned before that I started a YouTube membership instead of doing Ream. So earlier this year, I had planned and thought about doing a subscription on Ream where I would write a story and people would pay different tiers, kind of like a Patreon. But Ream is no longer perfectly aligned for me. And so I've switched over and started thinking about where I was going to work on this membership. And it just made the most sense to do it on YouTube for me, even though YouTube takes 30%, which is a very high percentage. But for convenience, I don't have to worry about taxes or refunds or customer service. I just have to show up and provide. And so my plan for that, I can do a whole video on this later, but my plan for that is right now we have 3 tiers, $199, $499, and $999. And the story that I'll be reading is the one first is this series that I'm writing right now. So every Monday, Wednesday, I will read a chapter or an episode, and then we'll have Friday coffee chat. And then at the end of it, it will come out in book format. But the story itself, in terms of the readings, will be free to everybody. It'll just be on my YouTube channel for everyone to watch if you want to watch it. So I'd love to have you guys join. If you want to come subscribe over there, I would love to see you. So come join us, and I'll be reading the story that I'm writing right now as soon as it's ready to go. And then there will be extra things going into the Broken Chapter Society, which is my membership. And I ran a founding members special there where it was like, I'm going to send out some extra swag and some extra things in the mail to everyone who joins the first month. And so we have 626 paying members the first month, which really has blown me away and just shows that like this community is really special. And I'm excited for all the things we're going to do. And I'm going to be setting up a website as part of my sarracannon.com website that will have some behind the scenes things that you won't see on YouTube. But I could share exactly the logistics of that once it's really set and running, but I have been getting a lot of requests to set up a membership here on Heart Breathings as well. Of course, no pressure to join, just if it sounds fun to you. And probably what we would do is you would get emojis when you're chatting. It would be just a way to support me because I had thought for a while about putting more ads on the channel, like in the videos, and a lot of people really didn't want to see that because like I purposely have not done ads here. So I don't make as much in AdSense as a lot of other creators with a similar channel, just because I don't do mid-roll ads. I only do them at the beginning of the videos because I know that I do a lot of teaching videos and vlogs and things that are long. And I really don't, I know a lot of you also rewatch videos and I really don't want to have to put ads on there, but also it would be nice if my channel income could support me having an editor, which would allow me to spend more time. I do have an editor, but I want to give them more stuff to do. And so it would be nice for the channel to pay for that. And so I have thought about doing a membership instead of putting ads in the mid-roll. And I think that way it's good because then you either opt in or you don't, but the people that do want to opt in can help me help be supportive of the channel. But we'll see what that looks like. If I do one here, it would be emojis in the chat, and it would be probably at least a monthly Plan With Me live stream. That would be super fun, I think. So I'll keep you updated. I'm still thinking about it. But let me know if you'd like to join a Heart Breathings membership here on YouTube. And if you want to join one, if you'd be thinking about joining it, what would you want to see as part of the membership? So I don't know. Could be fun. All right. So it's already 4:30. I've gotten a lot done. I ordered all the books. I got some of my Broken Chapter Society stuff ordered, and I have done a lot of little errands, like picking up stuff that I'm going to take with me. But I haven't done any writing, and I really, really wanted to get some writing done. But also the kids are dying to spend a little time with me because they know I'm leaving for an entire week, and I have actually been gone quite a bit this year. So I'm going to spend a little time with the kids, and we got to go pick up groceries, and we're going out for pizza tonight, which will be nice. Eating out twice. I know this is a luxury, you guys. But we don't always do this, but this week is a little bit different. But we're going out for pizza, and we're going to pick up groceries, and I got to pick up some makeup stuff at Ulta. We're going to go to Five Below and let the kids pick out one thing because of their gems that they've earned. So it should be a fun evening, but if I don't intentionally make time for writing, it's not going to happen. So I think I'm going to go play with the kids for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to write for about 45 minutes to an hour before we go out. So let's see if we can make that happen. Woohoo! So good family afternoon. I've done no work. We're just hanging out as a family. Now we've just gotten back, but George went right back out to get groceries because we ordered them, but we forgot to pick them up. So he's going out to get groceries. The kids are both on screen time for about an hour before they go to bed. So I'm going to write. I'm a little nervous because this is my first actual words of this book. And I know it's probably going to be rough and terrible, but you got to get words on the page. And that's just the way this whole thing works. Be afraid, do it anyway, have fun. So let's do some writing. Okay, I literally wrote 2 sentences and just got a notification on my phone that we're under tornado watch, which is not a warning, but it is a watch. So I'm gonna turn on the weather app and keep an eye on that and try not to stress it. So that was unexpected. Let's pray for decent weather. All right, I have made a start on my work in progress. So I only did one sprint, about 25 minutes, and I got 534 words, which is great. It's the first page, basically, or 2 pages of my new book. So that feels good. Parts of it I think are quite terrible, and that's okay. Got to get a feel for this character's voice and just get past the fear that it's not going to come together and just have fun with it. So nothing is really happening that much yet, but I've got to spend some time with the kids. And you know what? I think I've just been working so hard that it's a good night to chill out, watch a movie, play in my planner. I'm probably going to create a little planner nest, as George calls it, in the bed after I get the kids to bed, which is basically just taking all of my favorite planners and doing some planning, setting out my stickers, getting my favorite markers and everything else. I love to do that. It's that multitasking of I'm surrounded by all the stuff that I love, but then I'm also watching TV and George is next to me and we can hold hands and it'll just be great. It'll be a fun night. Tomorrow, Evie has a soccer game, but we're under tornado watch. So it's been raining flash flood. Will we have soccer? I don't know, but she also wanted to go see The Wild Robot and then date night. So it'll be a fun day. And then I got to pack because I got to get to Vegas on Sunday. So I think tonight is my chance to just chill out. So 534 words for the day. Busy, productive day. How are you doing so far? I'm hoping that now that I've got a few of my note cards down on the plane and on the trip, I'm going to get some writing in. And if not, I will get my writing in when I get back. That's it. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I love you. Bye.